This is iphone4. This says how to put a ringtone on your iPhone. I have the iPhone 4, but it should work for all the iPhones. First thing you need to do is go make a folder, make a folder. Call it like iPhone ringtones. I already have like a couple right there. After that, you go to this. You go to adeco.net right there, and all I really just typed in, I just typed in Bungie, and because I'm Xbox person, just download this one. All you do is like click on it. Obviously the Halo 3 theme. Get ringtone for iPhone. And then see, I got all of those. All you do is click on download. Save. Then save it to your folder that you made called iPhone ringtones, or just ringtones. After that, go to this. Well, not this. Well, iTunes, obviously. And then you will not have ringtones. I'll tell you how to get that in a second. But anyway, all you do is take this. See, this will, like, with the folder that you just made, go to your thing, pick it, drag it. It says ring. And then you gotta hover it over this, and see how it's highlighted? When you drop it or let go, it will make a ringtones tab, but I already have it, so I could just put it right here. See, right there. Pause. Anyway, now all I have to do is go to my iPhone. That's my iPhone. Oh crap, that's my number. You don't want to see that. But yeah, there's like a ringtones thing right there. Then there's all your ringtones. You just have to check them, or you could click all, check all ringtones, apply. And mine's weird, and I have bad songs on there, so it just screws up and says, oh, you don't have, or this, or something. Yeah, cannot copy Pretty Boy Swag. Anyway. Settings, sounds. I already have. Gotta focus, maybe. Day and night, I already have it. Right, here's Halo 3.
It's more than just a mission. Guns don't kill people. I need dollar, that's what I have to do. Champagne all night. I'm on the pursuit. I know way too many people here right now that I did day and night. The longest on. I try to run, but see, I'm not yellow, black and yellow. I'm putting day and night.
Well, I cannot figure out how to get text tones, but anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to iphone4. I'll show you how to probably get text tone ringtones, but anyway, see ya.